Hello friends, welcome to DevOps Complete course. My name is AR Shankar. I'm so much excited to teach DevOps Complete course and thanks for enrolling to my course. Before diving into DevOps, let's see what is our course or training objectives. Our course objectives are quite simple. In this course, you are going to learn industry most favorite DevOps tools stack. I mean, at this moment in the industry, which DevOps tools are mostly used, those tools are covered in this training. Next, you are able to set up production-ready DevOps CI/CD pipelines. Once you complete this course, you can create your own CI/CD pipelines for your environments or for your projects. These are the objectives of this course. Now, let's see who can learn this course. People who want to shift from other technologies, like if you are already working as a system admin or database administrator or storage admin, cloud engineer, programmer or developer, any kind of other technologies you are working and you would like to shift onto DevOps, this course is suitable. And who are desperate to move on to DevOps culture. You heard about DevOps culture gives more advantage in your projects and you want to enhance your skills towards to the DevOps culture, then this course is for you. Who can't? People from non-IT background. I strongly don't recommend for the people who are coming from non-IT background. Next, we'll see what is the technology stack do we cover in this course. Tools covered. We are going to cover Git as a version control system, Jenkins as a continuous integration tool, Maven as a build tool, SonarQube for code analysis, JFrog Artifactory for artifact repository, Docker for containerization, Ansible for deployment and configuration management, Kubernetes for container management, Prometheus for monitoring, and also Grafana for alerting. These are the tools we are going to cover in this training. If you don't know any of these tools, don't worry, you are going to understand these tools going forward. Before starting your journey with me, I would like to highlight few points. All these DevOps tools set up and configured on AWS cloud. So you should have some AWS knowledge. If you are already having AWS skill, well and good. If you don't know, don't worry. I'm going to teach whatever is required for this course. Each participant should create their own AWS account. In this course, I'm going to show you how can you create free tier AWS account. That is where we are going to set up our DevOps environment. If you are new to Unix or Linux, please go through with Linux free course, which is available in our platform. I'm going to show you how can you enroll for this course in a while. These lectures are online training recorded videos. So we haven't created a dedicated videos for this training. At this moment, we are providing online training recorded videos. But going forward, we are going to update these videos with the dedicated videos so that you can see more quality and efficient videos. This is not a certification course. We are covering multiple tools or technologies in this course, so it is not possible to concentrate on certification. And moreover, these are mostly hands-on sessions. Teaching programming skills are not part of this course. If you are expecting some programming skills or scripting languages from this course, maybe you are at wrong place. We don't cover Java, Python or shell scripting in this course. We more concentrated on how we can create a DevOps environment. Less theory and more hands-on. We have concentrated more on hands-on sessions rather than discussing as a theory one. Alright, that's all for this lecture. In next video, we are going to see Introduction to DevOps. Thanks for watching. See you there.